Hey y'all, it is Thanksgiving morning and it is time to make more beef jerky. I found this at Sam's Club. It was a roast and it looked pretty good, like good marbling, and the price was not bad. So $5.48 a pound, and it is called a beef sirloin tip roast. So I have not tried this before. I am, as you can see, this is, you hear that? That's pretty solid. So I have had this on the counter defrosting for a bit, and I wanted to slice it up before it got defrosted so I could get big chunks. Now I want you to look at this. Look at how beautiful that is. Is that not going to be like a great piece of beef jerky? That's what I'm talking about. The next time I do ribeyes, a ribeye roast, I am going to definitely slice it up before it defrosts too much. The only bad part is my hands are freezing. So I'm going to get this salted to get on the dehydrator. Then I'm going to go ahead and let this sit a little bit more. That was the inside. So that will defrost a little bit more. And by the time I'm done putting this on the dehydrator and salting it, it will, this other one will be ready to cut up. I'm going to dehydrate it at 160 degrees and I'm going to go for about 16 hours. So I will let y'all know what it's like when it is finished. Catch y'all later. All right, y'all, look at that. This is the sirloin roast that I had froze and sliced up while it was frozen. Worked out perfectly, and it's really, really delicious. It was a lot less than a ribeye, so that is good. And it has a decent amount of marbling in that, which makes it delicious still. And when you slice it from almost frozen, you get wonderful big pieces. So that is the way to go. And you can also get the slices super thin, which I did. So it does look like these pieces have fell apart a little bit, and that is because they are super thin and they just melt in my mouth. They are so, so good. So I'm definitely going to be purchasing this roast again. The way to go is definitely, when you're gonna make your carnivore crisps, freeze the roast and slice it from almost frozen. That will allow you to get bigger slices and thinner slices, and it is absolutely delicious. So let me show you how one of these looks up close. That looks pretty good. So, so good. Tastes delicious. Just salt. I froze the meat, shaved it very thin as I could get it from frozen. Basically, it was just defrosted a little bit. And after that, I dehydrated it at 106. I say 160, but my dehydrator only goes up to 159. So this batch I only did for 14 hours, and that is because I got the slices so thin that it dehydrated a lot quicker. All I did was salt. So 160 degrees at 14 hours, and this is the result. Really good. Save yourself some money and slice up your own roast. You will not regret it. I have several other videos that show different types of meat that I have made into dehydrated meat slices or carnivore crisps, and I will link those up above somewhere in this video. And if you guys have ever made these, let me know what your recipe is. What do you dehydrate it at, and how long do you go for, and do you add anything else besides salt? So let me know in the comments below. So thank you for joining me here today. I would love to see y'all again next time. And if you'd like to come back, think about hitting that subscribe button so you get a notification whenever I have a new video out. And until then, stop eating processed foods.